In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a voicemail through Gmail. It's a handy feature that can greatly enhance the way you communicate via email, especially if you want to add a personal touch or just relay information more quickly than typing it all out. We'll walk through this process in a few simple steps. First, you'll need to have Gmail open in your web browser. This is where everything will take place. Once you have Gmail open, navigate over to your inbox and look for the Compose button. You'll usually find this as a big, prominent button, typically located at the upper left corner right below the Gmail logo. Go ahead and click on it. After you click Compose, a new message window will pop up. This is where you'll usually type out an email, but since we're focusing on voicemail, let's handle it differently. You might notice there's no obvious direct function for adding a voicemail initially. But fret not, because we have a workaround. You can record your voice message using any voice recording app on your smartphone or computer. Most smartphones have a built-in Voice Memos app or something similar. If you're on a computer, applications like Audacity are free to download and quite user-friendly for recording simple audio clips. Open your app and hit record. Once you're done speaking, save the file. Be sure that it's in a universally accepted format like MP3 or WAV. These file types are more likely to play well across various devices and email clients. Now, it's time to get your freshly recorded voice file attached to your email. Go back to your Gmail draft and locate the paperclip icon. This icon is universally recognized as the symbol for attaching files. Click on it, and a file browsing window will open, allowing you to search your device for the audio file you just created. Once you select your file and hit open, it will start uploading and attaching to your email. While the file is uploading, give your email the necessary context. In the subject line, you might put something like voice message for recipient's name. In the body of the email, it's helpful to add a short message indicating the purpose of the voicemail or any necessary details like calling attention to specific points you've discussed. Finally, enter the recipient's email address in the marked field at the top and review everything to ensure it's correct. When you're satisfied, go ahead and click the send button. Your voicemail is now on its way, and there you have it. Sending a voicemail through Gmail may not be an inbuilt feature, but using these steps, you can effectively and efficiently share voice messages. Whether you're using it professionally or personally, this can be a wonderful tool to add to your digital communication toolkit.